Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday the 12th of June. Looking at Eurodollar, really interesting chart Eurodollar is developing into. We've been talking in recent days about how we've been worried about how far this bull run can go on Eurodollar. I've been redrawing in trend lines since we sort of went on this strong bull run higher that hugged this sharp uptrend. That got broken early part of this week, and now subsequently I've redrawn in another uptrend which has now also been broken, and it seems as though that the market is shallowing out of the bull run, and another negative candle yesterday hit sentiment. You can start to see these momentum indicators rolling over. RSI back under 70, stochastics sort of threatening to come lower. MACD lines, are they sort of topping out as well? Certainly the histogram is falling away. And it's interesting that the market is slightly sort of ranging, really. If you look at the hourly chart, that hourly RSI is sort of now between 30 and 70 for the past sort of almost week now. As you can see, this market basically pulling sideways. I've got this pivot line around 1320 throughout the past week. It is actually fairly consistently done it as a pivot line. Little poke above that today, but now back below it again. And it certainly looks as though that with the market sort of starting to trade underneath the moving averages, with these momentum indicators turning a bit more negative. Look at those MACD lines. As the market has fallen over, those MACD lines are still below neutral on the hourly. RSI, is that falling over at 50? Is it starting to put the pressure on? Now, you'd be looking at 1275 initially, but 1240 is the first real key support of note, because if you break that, you do then complete a top pattern. Now, on the daily chart, you can see that in place. If you do complete a 1240 breakdown, that is a top pattern, which you'd imply around, probably on a conservative basis, maybe 140 or so pips of downside move. So that brings you back to sort of 11-figure area, doesn't it? And maybe a little bit below that. But yeah, you're sort of then retracing back to this uptrend then, aren't you? So that could easily be seen, especially as the momentum indicators unwind. So this is a risk now, and given the fact that the market has again sort of started to roll over a little bit today, questioning how that recovery goes. I've spoken about dollar CAD earlier. Has that sort of pulled back into a buying area where the dollar CAD could be pulling higher? Similarly, is Eurodollar about to fall over, all suggesting a near-term US dollar recovery could be forming? So interesting moments there on Eurodollar. Now you'd see sort of obviously the resistance at 14-figure to 1420 on Eurodollar, and obviously also you've got initially today's high 1340. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.